In this video, we take a look at how to insert text behind a person or an object in Final Cut Pro 11 using their new feature called the magnetic mask. Hi, I'm Dennis. Let's dive right in. So I have Final Cut 11 open here. I have loaded a video of this lady walking onto the edge of a cliff. I will add this onto my timeline, just like that. And when we play this back, it's just a short video in slow motion of a lady walking towards the edge of a cliff. Now, my goal here is to use the new magnetic mask to add some text between the background and the lady walking. The first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this clip. So I'll just hold on Option and drag the clip above. That duplicates the clip. Now, we can choose to turn off this clip. We're not using it for now. So I'll click on V on the keyboard, and that disables the clip below. On the clip we have above, we need to mask out the lady. So the first thing we do is you can just maybe choose to click anywhere. The magnetic mask tracks forwards and backwards. So I'll go to Effects. I'll head on over to Masks and Keying and just scroll until I can see the magnetic mask. I'll click and hold this and drag this over. Before you release it, you can see where the AI detects sections that you want to mask. In our case, we want to mask the lady. So I'll do that. It does a pretty good job. So according to what I can see, I think the mask is okay. And if you're not on the timeline on our video, there is a yellow keyframe that has been established. This is the reference point. So in the case that we wanted to correct our mask, you can just click somewhere else to add. You can see our cursor has a positive sign. Or if you want to deselect a section that was wrongly selected, you can use the minus option over here and our cursor goes to a minus. That means you're deselecting. We'll stick to the plus one. And I believe that's a good job since it's not a long clip. Okay, let me just change the mode for now. Let's deselect that. Yeah, when we look at that, I think that's okay. We can analyze first. Let's click on Analyze. And then after that, we can maybe feather our mask depending on how it goes. But I think in our case, it's pretty accurate. The mask analysis goes forward, and when it's done, it also does backwards. So it's a pretty good job there. I'd like to also highlight that this is in real time. Nothing is sped up, so it's pretty fast. So when we play this back, yeah, I think that's okay. When we choose our mask alone and play this back, yeah, it does a pretty good job. It does a pretty good job. That works for us. Now, what we need to do is click on Done, and there we have our mask. Now, on this video, the background is removed and we only have the lady walking. We can enable the video below by clicking on V. So we have both videos, and the next thing is to add a title. I'll head on over to titles and choose something simple. Yes, I can go with this. I'll just drag this between the two videos, just like that on the timeline. And I'll lengthen this up to the end of the clip. So if you play this back, you can see the text is already between the lady and the background. That is what we wanted to achieve. Now, the only remaining thing is to play around with the position and maybe just add some text. Yes, I believe that works. And so when we play this from the beginning, let's play it. So there we have our text behind the lady walking around. Well, there you have it. That is how we add text behind a person or an object in Final Cut Pro 11 using the magnetic mask. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.